Are you sweeping the floor, Alexander? Or are you shoveling? You're certainly keeping it nice and tidy. Mama's so proud of you. Yay! Careful. Don't put that in your mouth. Uh-oh. Something I like better. The dishwasher.
Hot done right now. Good job. You helped Grandma.
Yeah, he's going to start it for you now.
No, we do not push buttons. Thank you. We do not push buttons. Come on. You
Back to the broom.
Wild man pushing buttons. Wild thing.
Yeah. You want Mama to pick you up? Say up. Can you say up? Say Mama up. Mama. No, Mama up.